Today, we will be doing a Dynasty review and demo walkthrough. Dynasty is a fully automated store builder and WordPress theme that ranks itself on Google. It allows you to rank your site the smart way, with 100% original content created for you every day. Dynasty lets anyone get their own fully automated authority site in seconds. Before we get started with the review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Dynasty review and demo walkthrough.
Guys, we have taken the multi-trillion-dollar online store craze into a whole new level. Way easier and faster to install. Way easier and faster to manage. Way easier and faster to profit. Like never before. We have used technology to make it easier and faster for you, purposely. Guys, welcome to Dynasty, your ultimate solution to find yourself a big slice of the multi-trillion-dollar e-commerce business pie in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, activating your store. Dynasty lets you activate a professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in WordPress with DFY templates. It only takes you 1 click to do this. You just need to add a hot topic you would like to work with as a subdomain and click on Build Store. What Dynasty is doing now is activating your professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in WordPress with DFY templates. The fastest ever, guys. Yes, you don't have to deal with domain or hosting. You don't have to deal with WordPress installations, plugins, or themes. Everything is set up for you with just 1 click and in less than a minute. And there you have your store installed, guys. You can delete it, log into it, and if you don't want it to be on our subdomain, you can integrate into a new or an existing domain of your choice. How cool is that? If you would like to buy a new domain and integrate your store to it, we understand how hard it could be to come up with a good domain name. I myself have spent hours and even days to come up with a good domain name idea. But with Dynasty, you have a really nice domain finder where you can easily come up with really nice domain name ideas instantly available to purchase. You just add a niche keyword here, and you will see a bunch of awesome domain ideas in the most popular domain name extensions available for purchase in just seconds. You can just buy it and then integrate it into your store in just seconds too. Here you are in your store WordPress dashboard, a 100% clean, peaceful, and ads-free WordPress installation. And what we have installed for you is a pro WordPress theme you won't find for free anywhere else online. You have it free of charge with Dynasty. And why not just use a free WordPress theme? Well, simply because free themes are not 100% professional, and they make you just waste your time, guys. As you notice, you have up to 4 professional-looking, ready to plug-and-play DFY demo sites you can install in just a click and be able to easily customize in just minutes. But we have gone above and beyond, guys, and have made it even easier for you. We have customized a store demo site which will make it a lot easier for you to get stuff done and profit a lot faster. And you just need to import it by using the easiest ever WordPress migration plugin, which comes with the WordPress installation. And there you have your site 100% ready to start adding ready-to-profit products and everything done in less than a minute. Yes, guys, the site is empty, but you will be shocked with what I'm about to do in Step 2. Step 2, adding products to your store. Dynasty lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit products in less than a minute as well. And yes, you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that. Here inside your WordPress installation, we have provided you with a customized WordPress plugin which will do all of the magic for you. Here you will be adding a magic link which I will show you how to create inside the training workshop, and yes, it also takes you less than a minute to set it up. And what's even cooler is the fact that this link comes with dozens of ready-to-profit products already integrated with your affiliate ID. You then just need to decide how you want the information of each product to be displayed on your post, and click on Start Import. Then the plugin will do all the magic for you without you doing absolutely anything. You don't have to go and pick any products online. You don't have to download any relevant images. You don't have to create any content for the post. You don't have to add your affiliate links to each and every one of the posts. You don't have to create any posts either. It's all done on complete autopilot. And there you have it. You just need to refresh the page and everything will be there for you. Look at this, guys. This is a professional looking, high converting and fun ready to profit store with ready to profit products, all of them integrated with my own affiliate link. And I was able to do this in less than a minute. But things don't stop here, guys. We have also created something out of this world related to traffic generation. Step number 3, sending free buyer traffic in one click. Dynasty lets you place your store in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in less than a minute. And you guys can do this in up to 9 viral buyer traffic platforms at the same time. Yeah, this is nuts. The traffic engine you see here will let you send free buyer traffic in one click at the same time to Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress.com, and to your WordPress self-hosted sites by using the different high-converting formats, which are text, link, image, HTML, and video. And on top of that, we have also prepared 2 automation power tools to automate your Facebook and Messenger marketing to levels never thought possible. Guys, this is it. This in reality is your ultimate chance to find yourself a big slice of the multi-trillion-dollar e-commerce business pie in just 3 simple steps, the quick and easy way. And on top of that, we will grab you by the hand and show you step by step over our shoulder how to profit with this faster than ever, like no other app would do for you. See you guys inside.
Thank you for watching this Dynasty review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about Dynasty, click the link in the description below.